What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Balante and I'm back with another trade recap video, and I'm going over my break-even week that I had. So I lost on Wednesday and I won on Thursday. So on Wednesday I took two trades where they were both L's. So let's go over those. So my first trade was on S&P 500. I took a demand setup right here. Let's go over why I took this demand setup. So if we go on the 4 hour, if we're looking at the 4 hour, just based off of market structure, we see that we're on a bullish trend on the 4 hour. If we go on the 1 hour, if we zoom out, we're bullish on the 1 hour as well. We got break of structure right here, breaks of structure right here. So we're bullish on the 4 hour and we're bullish on the 1 hour. So going into the 15 minute, we're bullish on the 15 minute as well. So the trend is obviously bullish for today. So I saw that we had a imbalance right here, or a gap that had to be filled. So I marked this bearish candle. So, and then I waited for price to come and tap my zone. Price came and tapped my zone right here. This candle, this is the first candle that tapped my zone, and it didn't break this candle right here. It didn't break that candle, so I didn't get in. So I waited for the next candle. This candle didn't get break, so I went to the next candle, and this is where I got in initially. So this is my entry right here. As soon as the next candle printed and broke above this candle, this is where I got in. And my stop loss is the lowest wick in the zone, so, or in the box, so it would be right here. And my first take profit, or my overall take profit, was a 2-to-1 risk to reward. And this trade just ended up being a loser, and it just blasted through the zone. So that was unfortunate. And then I saw this on Tuesday as well for NQ. So I saw that we were bullish. I believe, yeah, we were bullish on the 4 hour as well. We're bullish on the 4 hour. We're bullish on the 1 hour as well. There also is a 1 hour demand right here. I'm not sure if price came and tapped this 1 hour demand, but we're bullish on the 1 hour, 4 hour, 15 minute. It looks like we're coming through the middle on the 15 minute. But I wasn't really too worried about that because we were bullish on the 1 hour and 4 hour. So I was obviously looking for a demand or a liquidity grab, both going bullish. So I marked up this demand zone, and price came and it broke that demand zone, but also through a liquidity grab. So waiting for this liquidity grab. This is where I got in. As soon as this bullish candle broke past this bearish candle, is where I got in. And my stop loss is that lowest wick that did the liquidity grab, which was right here. And TP 2-to-1, and this ended up being a loser as well. And it did tap the 1 hour demand, but this was, so my trading plan is I take two trades. If I take 2 L's in a day, I'm done, and I took 2 L's. So I didn't take that, but it's cool to see that ended up working out. Let's see if it would have hit for a 2-to-1 though. Let's see. Entry would have been right here. 2-to-1. Let's see if it ended up hitting. And TP ended up getting smacked, man. Hey, I love when TP get hit. But let's go to today, Thursday, on US30. So I took this liquidity grab on US30. So if you go on the 4 hour, if you look on the 4 hour, we're bullish on the 4 hour. I also had this 4 hour demand. This 4 hour is also a 1 hour demand as well, I believe. Yeah, 1 hour demand. If you zoom in, you can see that there's a gap that price has to come and fill, the gap or imbalance that price has to come back and fill. So I just had that marked up. But as you see, we're bullish on the 1 hour as well. We got breaks of structure right here, right here. This is a break of structure. So we got massive breaks of structure. So going on to the day today, I was looking for bullish trades. I was looking for bullish liquidity grab or bullish demand. And I saw that we had this demand right here with a break of structure right here. So I patiently waited. Price came and tapped my zone. This is my stop loss. The lowest wick that tapped my zone or my box would be right here. And my entry would be the next candle that breaks this green candle. So that didn't break, so I didn't get in. So I would get in right here. The next candle that breaks above this candle is when I'll get in. And that didn't break as well. And so it disrespected my zone. The zone became invalid, but it also threw a liquidity grab. And as well, since price already came and tapped a demand, if you could have reused this block, if that's one of your trading rules, you could have reused this box and took another demand, because you could have got two winners right here on this setup. Right here is a winner. I know I'm getting off track, but I'm just showing y'all, or just showing myself. But right here is a winner, and right here is a winner as well. Price came back. It stopped these people out, because this would have been your stop loss. It stopped you out, but it also gave you a winner as well. So if you took this trade, I don't know, you would have made money on this trade for sure. So if someone came late in the day, like around like 10, and you didn't find a setup, you could have took this setup. But so price came, it threw a liquidity grab. So my stop loss is right here, the wick that made the liquidity grab. And my entry is the next candle that breaks above this bearish candle. So that didn't break. So whatever candle breaks this candle, this bearish candle is where I'm getting in. And I got it right there. And my take profit is a 2-to-1. And I got smacked. So yeah, unfortunately, this week was a break-even week. But hopefully next week is a winning week. And the week after that. So that's my trade recap for today, y'all. I'll catch you on the next one, man. Peace.